Socrates said, "Not life, but good life is to be chiefly valued." What makes a good life? Part of that is focus on health and wellness. And that's exactly what our new issue is all about. Hi, I'm Shantae from Parenting Special Needs Magazine, and I'm excited to be able to bring this issue to you and be able to share all this amazing content. We love our cover models, a father and son duo, showing that fitness can be fun and rewarding. In fact, Keegan Johnson from Let's Go Fitness shares some insightful information with us that you don't want to miss. Plus, we have an incredible podcast on sexual safety for our kids, thanks to Dr. Susan Kaufman and Dr. Amy Morrison. And we can't thank them enough for sharing their expertise with us. And do you know what school nurses do? How about what they can't do? Corinne Jones from National Association of School Nurses breaks it all down for us. And that is just the beginning. There is so much more to read and watch or listen to in this issue. So get ready to click in and enjoy. And don't forget that we are now more mobile friendly. So we're ready when you are and wherever you are. Enjoy this issue, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.